Hello my dear students, welcome to my class. So today I have come in front of you all to clear the doubts mostly the students face while going through history and all, like BC, AD, BCE or CE. What is all this about? Many of the students of history still they are confused regarding why it is so, and what actually is the reason behind using BC as a BCE and all. Like when I was a student, I was taught like BC and AD. So what is BC and AD all about? So I'm going to make you understand through this board. So you can see here BC. BC means before Christ, and AD means Anno Domini. Okay, before Christ means before the birth of Christ. Before the birth of Christ, the years which we count is known as BC, and after the birth of Christ, the years which we count is known as AD. Okay, so AD, Anno Domini, the meaning of Anno Domini is in the year of the Lord. In the year of the Lord. And this term was first proposed by Christian monk, one of the Christian monk. His name was Dionysius Ascetus. Dionysius Ascetus. He was the one who proposed this name for AD, year after the birth. Okay, so AD means Anno Domini. Anno Domini. Okay, that means after the birth of Christ. And BC means before Christ. Before the birth of Christ, the years were counted as BC. Okay. So now I have made a timeline over here. You can see, suppose for example here Jesus Christ was born. Jesus Christ was born. So the dates before, the years before the birth of Christ will be termed as BCE or BC. BC will call it. Okay, BC. So one will call it as 1 BC, 2 BC, 3 BC, 4, 5, 6, 7 BC. So this way it will go on 100 BC, 200 BC, 400 BC, 500 BC, 6. This way it will go back. It will go back. Okay. So after the birth of the Christ, the years will be counted as AD 1, AD 2, AD 3, AD 4. Okay, that means we'll be using the numbers AD before the numbers, and here we'll use 100 BCE. So here we'll write down 100 AD 100. Okay, so this is about BCE. Now in this contemporary time, the BC is been replaced by BCE. BC now is been replaced by I. What is the meaning of BCE? What is the full form? Before the common era. Before the common era. Okay, so all this term 1 BCE, 2 BCE, 3 BCE, all this can be called as BC. That means BC and BCE is same. BC and BCE is same. Why it happened, that also I'll explain you. Now AD now has been replaced by CE. AD now is replaced by CE by most of the countries of the world. That means common era. The meaning of a meaning of a CE is common era. So it starts from here. So it starts from here. So before we used to call it as AD, but now we call it as CE. Okay, common era. Okay, CE1, CE2, CE3, CE 400, CE, or we can say that CE 800. This way it will go on. Suppose for example, like Julius Caesar was born 100 years before the birth of Christ. Julius Caesar was born 100 years before the Christ. What we will write? We will write it as 100 BCE. We will write it as 100 BCE. Okay, same way, suppose for example you were born in the year 2002 or before that 1999 you were born. So we'll write it as simple. We'll write it as AD 2002. And one more thing you must remember: if there is nothing mentioned like AD or CE, that means it is AD. If there is no such nowadays this AD and CE is not mentioned. Suppose you are born in the year 2002, right? So the BC is also not mentioned, AD is also not mentioned. So you must understand that this is AD. That means after the birth of Christ, the years which will flow, that is considered as AD or CE, common era. Okay. So before the Christ, like I told you once again, Julius Caesar was born 100 years before the birth of Christ. So we'll write it 100 BC. Then Julius Caesar died 44 years before the birth of Christ. So we'll write it 44 BCE. So many of them they use BC, many of them they use BCE. But mostly in this contemporary times, we see in most of the history books we see this term BCE and CE. So BC is written after the number and AD is written before the number. AD is written, suppose if I want to write down 200 AD, so we'll write down 200 AD 200 or CE 200. So this is what, this is written before and this one is written after the letter, after the numbers. Okay, so this is all about BC and AD. BC means before Christ, AD means Anno Domini. Now BC is been replaced by BCE, that means before the common era, and AD is now been replaced by CE. So this one is replaced by CE, that means common era. So there should not be confusion, but there is still some confusion arises when the many of the historians they believe that AD means after the death. It is a wrong concept. Before the birth of Christ, after the death of Christ. It is not so. Okay, so it is common era. But now let me tell you why this has been replaced. Why BC is been replaced by before the common era. That means it is in the year of the Lord. It is in the birth of Lord Jesus Christ, right? So many of the non-Christian world they may object to this year of life. So that is why it has been termed as a BCE, before the common era. So the term Christ is been removed. Term Christ is been removed. But many countries they even use BC. But the non-Christian world they use it as BCE, before the common era, and CE, common era. Okay, so this is all about explanation been made in order to make you clear what actually is the meaning of BC and AD. Many of the students even today they have a doubt, sir, what is the meaning of BC and why BC now is written at BCE? So it is same. BC is BCE now and AD now is known as CE. So AD equal to CE. Okay, and BC equal to BCE. So it is same. BC is similar to BCE. But now in the contemporary times, in place of BC we use BCE, and in place of AD we use it as CE, that is common era. Calendar year started from the birth of Christ. So they started to count years in the year of the Lord. Okay, so this side will go AD, and any of the ruler like I told you, Julius Caesar was born long time back. So how many years before the birth of Jesus Christ, Julius Caesar was born? 100 years. Okay, the great Colosseum of Rome, when it was built 80 years after the birth of Christ. 80 years. So what will write? AD 80. AD 80. 80 years after the birth of Christ, great Colosseum of Rome was built. Okay, the same way if we want to write like the Great Pyramid of Egypt was built 2600 years before the birth of Christ. So we'll write it 2600 BC or 2600 BCE. That way we will mention it. So hope you all have understood it, and I think your doubts are clear. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.